Today I received a package from EVbase, and you can read it says car wheel covers. So let's unbox and see what's inside. All of the covers are individually wrapped with bubble wrap. I'll pull one out, and there's foam sections dividing them. Let's see what else. Oh, I see something deep in here. We have a welcome letter from EVbase. Here is the wheel cover in bubble wrap. I will remove it. And we have a silver painted plastic cover with a black center cap area. On the back, there's a protective foam piece, and the clips that hold it onto the 18-inch wheel are plastic, which is good because metal ones can scratch the paint. One thing I also suggest, and there's probably in this box, is a foam strip to go around the edge. And I also put foam strips on these clips too, to help out and protect the paint on the wheel surface. Let's see if we have any of those inside. I have another cover, foam separator, another cover, foam. Here we go. There's a big roll of foam tape on here, and what I'll do is this will be put on the outside edge of the wheel covers. So I'll do that right now. All right, here we go. I messed up this roll. Let's start from the outside. Take this tape off. All right. So what we'll do is we will start on one corner here. I will peel this back. And then just around the inside edge, push down on the foam so it adheres to the plastic underneath. Keep pulling the tape, protective tape cover off. Once you get towards the starting point, cut it so that it just ends. And there we go. We have foam that's all around the outside edge. And I'll do this for all 4 covers. Through the magic of video editing, you can see that I have installed the foam on all 4 of the wheel covers. And as you can see, there is plenty of foam left to put on the clips to attach to the wheel itself. So let me go do that now. You only need a small amount of tape for each of the clips, about an inch or so. You can cut it off like that, and then just put it on the edge and wrap around. And I'll do that for each of these. So there I have all of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 clips are covered with foam to protect the wheel spokes paint from scratching. Let me do this for the other 3 wheel covers and I'll get right back to you. All right, I have finished installing the foam tape on all of the clips on all 4 of the covers, and I have plenty of foam left over. I will store this just in case it's needed. If you need to wrap any more foam on this, if these get damaged, you can take it off and put more foam on it. So I would definitely keep that for later on. Next, let's have a closer look at the design. The backside has a light colored plastic. It has a spring in the center cap area. And the clips go around the spokes that are on the 18-inch wheel. Let's turn it over, have a closer look at the finish. The design of this is very similar to the 19-inch sport wheels on the Model 3. The only thing I need to do is put a Tesla center cap in the area right here. You can get these from EVbase. They stick on and you can get them in multiple colors: red, black, white, etc. This is one of the rare non-black wheel covers that I've seen. The only other one that I have is the Rymetrics in silver. This is fairly unique, and since I have a midnight silver metallic car, it'll be interesting to see how this will look. And also, since my car has chrome trim, we'll see what that looks like too. Now that I'm done with preparing the wheel covers, I will take all 4 of these out to my Model 3 and try them on. Before I forget, on each of the wheel covers there's a little sticker that indicates where the tire inflation valve is located on the cover. You can remove these, they're not needed. It's just to alert you how to install this. So I am going to remove these on all of the covers. There we go. All right, I have the wheel here. This is the existing EVbase black matte cover. I need to remove this first. There are 10 clips holding this on. I just need to loosen them up around the edges. And it comes right off. I now need to clean the wheel. I need to get all the dirt and debris off of the spokes and the outer rim area so that it doesn't get scratched when I put the new cover on. So let me clean that up now. All right, I'm now done with the cleaning. The next thing I need to do is remove the 5 caps. I'm not sure if these will impede the cover, but I'll take them off anyway. Match the opening on the cover with the valve stem on the wheel. Then start snapping it in around the edges. The cover is now fully installed. Just make sure you press on each of the 10 clips to make sure they're securely fastened. And that's it. We have this installed. Now I need to install this on the other 3 wheels. I now have the wheel covers installed on the front and the back and also on the rear. I think it looks pretty good. I think it definitely accents the chrome trim that I have on the car. And it's different than the standard black covers that we see everywhere else. If you ever want to remove the wheel caps, just do the opposite. Undo the clips on each of the 10 sides here. And then it comes right off. Oops, I almost missed this. In one of the bags, there was another plastic bag with the caps for the wheels. So I need to open these up and see what they look like. All right, let's see what we got in here. We have red Tesla center caps, very nice. They appear to be a glossy finish. Let's see what's in this one. And here we have silver Tesla logos. And they have a glossy finish too. So I definitely recommend getting these caps for the centers, and it gives a nice customized look that is close to OEM. Let me put these on the car right now and show you what they look like. Since I have the red caliper covers here, I'm going to go with the red center caps. Let me show you how that works. There is the double-sided tape on the back. Just peel it away. Remove that protective finish. And what I usually do is I usually point the Tesla logo at the valve cover, which is over in this direction. So let me go do that now. It fits exactly over that. Press it all the way around for several seconds to make sure it gets good adhesion. Then you can remove the plastic coating on top, so it reveals the full logo underneath. Here you can see where it is facing the valve stem cover right here. All right, here we go with all the wheel covers installed. Let's get a closer look. The EVbase wheel covers are inspired by the 19-inch sport wheels and are available in gray or black. See the link in the video description if you're interested in purchasing them. Don't forget to use code RANGER for 15% off your purchase. And for a limited time, if you purchase the wheel covers, you can get a set of 4 center logo caps for free. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.